Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create folders in Gmail. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Gmail, I need you to click on the Create an Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating your folders in Gmail, known as labels, allows you to organize and categorize your emails for easier management and retrieval, because folders or labels helps you make a different criteria such as project, client, priority, or status. This makes it easier to find specific emails when you need them. Now, for us to be able to create folders or labels here in Gmail, there are multiple ways for you to do it. It's also applicable if you're using the Gmail app or on your mobile device. Now, from here, you see, there is a section that says labels, and all you're gonna do is click the plus button and enter the name of a new label here. For example, how to create folders in Gmail. You can nest label under the not spam, unsubscribe, which we have a separate video on how to use the unsubscribe emails in Gmail. You might want to check on that. And of course, just click on create. All right. You see the folder or the labels has been added here in the left side panel of your dashboard. Now, another way for you to add a label is simply go to the section here. For example, this email. All right. You can simply create a new label here, and of course you can put it maybe Andy Guide label, and you can nest label under the how to create folders in Gmail, not spam, or unsubscribe. And of course you can simply click on create. Now, for example, this email, if you wanted to put this in a specific label or folder, copy that email address. And another way for you to create a folder or label is go to the upper right corner where you can see the cog icon setting and click on the see all settings. Once you are here, I need you to go to the filters and block addresses and create a new filter. And from here, enter the email address that and put in all the information here and create a filter. Now, after that, click on the create a filter and you would be able to categorize that under the labels that you have already created. Remember that utilizing folders or labels here in Gmail basically optimizes your email management, maintain a tidy inbox, and improve overall productivity and efficiency in handling your email communications. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.